Navigating the wild west of the gig economy. The gig economy has revolutionized how we work. It offers incredible opportunities for flexibility, freedom, and creativity. But it can also be a breeding ground for financial insecurity if you don't manage your finances wisely. Behind the allure of entrepreneurial freedom, the gig economy has a darker side. Late payments, irregular income, and lack of traditional employment benefits can dramatically increase the risk of debt for freelancers. But there are ways to prepare for all of this uncertainty when you dip your feet into the world of self-employment and gig work. One way is to establish a budget. Tracking income and expenses is crucial to navigating the gig economy without falling into arrears on your bill payments. This means knowing your income streams, tracking expenses, and setting aside money for emergencies. Diversifying your income sources can also help. This strategy involves not relying on just one gig or client, but having multiple income streams to protect yourself against unpredictability. Having a proper, safe savings setup is also vital. Unpredictable income means you need a safety net. You need to be regularly setting aside a percentage of your earnings in a savings account for those weeks or months when your income streams slow. One other thing to consider: insurance coverage. Disability and professional liability insurance can protect you from unexpected expenses, which could otherwise force you into a spiral into debt. Some gig work firms offer this as part of the benefits they provide. Check everything out before you proceed. Of course, avoiding unnecessary debt is essential here. This means living within your means and resisting the temptation to fund lifestyle expenses with credit cards or loans. Some strategic debt can also be beneficial. If used wisely, credit can help you invest in your business growth, such as purchasing the equipment you need to do your work or investing in your education. Negotiating fair payment terms with clients is also important. Always advocate for prompt payment, and don't be afraid to chase up late invoices. Remember, your financial health is crucial to your ability to deliver quality work. Luckily, many gig companies incorporate all of this into their processes, and regular weekly payments are sent out on time and tracked. But keep your own records too, just in case there is a disagreement down the road. One more thing: retirement planning shouldn't be neglected. Even though traditional pension plans may not be an option, consider alternatives like a self-employed pension plan or individual retirement account through a freelance professionals organization local to you. Just remember, financial literacy is your friend. The more you know about managing finances in this crazy gig economy, the better equipped you will be to avoid debt and stay financially healthy. Embarking on a freelance journey in the gig economy is exciting, but remember to tread wisely. Please keep these financial tips in mind to navigate the freelance lifestyle responsibly and avoid the pitfalls of debt. Enjoy the flexibility, savor the freedom, but always protect your financial future. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please consider clicking on like and subscribe so we can continue creating content for you. Thanks. And please visit our website at www.debtdetoxadvisors.com.